On the same yamin become.
Okay.
And only I'm yamin, we know we also becoming to say, we can say my come out and I'm every rapper be entitled to boast. Sarkodie is we use.
Yeah.
My come out and one thing, Fabian. I feel like it's the same.
There's a Sarkodie background still now you did.
Oh, na say rap dey. I been dey nkwa. Rap or pana say rap nkwa dey. Afa nka say o obi di ntimi dey say gu mechi obi dey semene ko dey.
Shout out to Poleeno Multimedia. Greetings to my family, my father, my mother, my brothers, my sisters. Shout out to my friend Joe, he's in Spain. Big shout out to my brother Amos. Big shout out to you.
Hello family, my name is Caesar. I'm strong Poleeno Ade. Baby be I'll be to me a short video under 30 seconds. Now they are sending. Now they are cheer or dofubi so also any part of the world. Now they are 2 videos name kama. Hey, WhatsApp line of fast send me share pa my mom for video name send and 30 seconds. And I put to send be episode the movie bian. Obi to me e dey afawo. And na Amerado e kasa because him say this week and I say a beef and a coso. And you say be encourage beef, but then to me my industry near there, especially with this lockdown, you will feel in can a boy, and then you may pay okay ego profit so for crash challenge beef. The hand is a beef on the end drew the physical part, but the very lyrical like we can. I think it's the best part in I experience it within this lockdown. And as medical didn't be by Amerado at the bus stop hereby. You can't want him and see you know our line so you be busano. Why bus stop? Why bus stop? Stay tuned. Amerado me patch about Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel. Poleeno Multimedia they one of the urban YouTube channels I Africa into anything be more live because we are the leaders of the urban into anything be I say my viewers well with. But before then my viewers who say I'm Amerado on the lockdown into me man I say me want to train come. Hello.
Yeah, after reception there.
Hey, maybe I just say they okay. Hello. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay now.
Now me say sake of lockdown into me ma now so near no me train come. Enti obetimi up no minim na ye ya hwefo hu say ampa Amerado ne kase.
Okay. That is anyway that no be today. Amanyama nke na mami ndru ye. Talent ni go yi na bo me speak. Ba function na be to me siri huru ye. You level never starting from the journey. They come home ajay. Uti me away a guy lockdown COVID-19 stay safe. Amerado than the mic burner freestyling.
And the banner. Okay, me guy. You must nearly feel how I was spitting on Charlie.
You put your minimum change,
Yeah, because you tell on catch and Nanki Bahon say you tell on catch. You know our London there, but
yeah.
Now by a new to me quarantine one hour before
me buy them say monthly kana COVID ne bag Ghana. Me cool. No. They call checks for the hospital. Me negative.
Oh, yeah, then yes. Ness who say bibi ba.
Oh,
someone has na boy say bibi bo. Now Amerado we beef koso. Are you in support of the beef na koso no?
Beef dey be dey anwo na na say dey be kwan.
We nya anwo ne nkwan dey we enwum to mu dey no.
Oh, the beef be koso dey ma tian say rappers. Sarkodie I drop you get it then.
Okay.
I feel like people are saying it's directed to us in a way, but I feel like every rapper is entitled to his or her
opinion.
And I say her mindset will be any opinion you get it.
Yeah.
So they are dropping them out. And they are more like one say, oh, but now I got to go this way and not this way. But until that, some also drop a fish down on the money of you say, oh, okay, then I'm many which is Sarkodie nomination is targeted at one person.
Yeah, a cut across.
Yes.
Now who man?
Oh, maybe I'm not sure. My godfather, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Now, who gives me for uncle and now they chance I'm from good.
Yeah,
you know, as I said, there's a only back rap music on and entry because we show my rap music. I be a man for blog and your rap music. I'm not sure that it's a having come away.
Yeah, no correct.
You get it into.
No correct.
The shot a kind and I said one can ye be back. So I say this time here, COVID abena will be a dropping in there. So this time, you also a face concert.
No correct.
You get it into be an entertainment. The first thing I have done is say you.
It do prophet class there and there was some trust because I never a tiffy near so energy, but the hand say ain't go overboard.
Yeah, you get it. So, in as much as beef you question, yeah, they are soon active, but yeah, they are very beef. Yeah, the answer if you say a rap, and a rap. So that's it. Yeah.
Poleeno Multimedia have for be my me and say what here will be or bar stops. Then before then why bar stop?
Okay, bar stop no. The whole idea behind it was that engineer no go beat no, but I beat no pour your heart out.
Okay.
And it's been a while I'm sure that rap here and because people feel like Amerado. You say our done, Amerado one drop PBM and answer. Sometimes you have to study the game. You know, sometimes I'll drop Ujai Kakana or switch commercialize.
Yeah, no correct.
But probably brings why I'm going to you know more say kind of would rap with the bar stop basically means that I'm gonna stop rapping for this year and I'm gonna stop rapping for a while and then maybe kickstart later. But now it's all about hit songs, it's all about getting the masses, doing the commercial vibe. So bar stop means me no rap a year for now.
Okay.
So be ready there.
Okay, so and come back say I'm not doing a private major rap sag. Okay. Now you will see this. Very day. Na the okay. You say when Shatawale enya adwen say or they say rap rapping entirely, but
rap music.
Yeah, rap music entirely. But then Kweku Smoke so et say no. And also they ekoye nyom say the shatter canon and enya adwen. But why then a bus stop no as a way so we trying to chikakra?
Yeah, me cafe you smoke. Many you know. But you have to be careful with loyalty.
Okay.
You only get involved when it matters. Money now, the guy long no. Guy so don't only champagne phone talk you focus on your craft. You get it?
Yeah.
Because Sarkodie any asema na Shatawale nenya. We a young boy I feel no about.
Okay.
Say so abonyum na hit na perform ya. Unko performance Sarkodie.
Yeah.
You don't need to take sides. Those people you see no one of them also. Shatawale were tweeting me that on Instagram that. It means we could go Shatawale who finish this year. We could show Nima and also we could show Jamestown.
Yeah.
Because it's just an advice to my little brother. Yeah, and also my brother because we've been here 4 years in you. Smoke about last year or so, you know. So we go on as a chairman, I should tell you in a nice way. And I didn't diss him. I'm not scared to say medicine could smoke on any day though, but just back stop I didn't diss him. But if it feels like my destiny there then on your rapper, I was on TV and I'll be TV and I was on TV because they can just say you smoke, focus on making the hits. Now forget the loyalty, no never to drink a cranny position late.
Maybe I know they also if you say baby abusumpi that line no.
Say ben na me bu me ka ken say you smoke uni se nyankopon no so ken abusum pi on oh ya dia di tutu na tumi bi echi enkofo na wo de so na those people are ba to mo so
then
they are the illest artists
then when I was be rap yes I dey will be high you but then uye sa baz ni na last one na ho kan bibi say we enye this and I bibi sa
yeah, song is not rap beef.
Yeah, but
it's just an advice. But at the end of the rap, if you feel like I've dissed you, or if you feel like they may chairman about rap music, and fadia.
Okay. Now, in a way, you are calling for that beef. Say, or no one ya drink.
The only thing ya drink on family also. Hold on, better than beef, because you see the way I'm on.
Okay. And to me, is why you're ready for the or drinks or no one ya drink beer.
I'm a rapper. I'm always ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's also self-confidence and arrogance. As a rapper, you have to be ready. On the same, I'm in the count.
Okay.
And I only am also mechanic. We just say, my camera, every rapper is entitled to boast. Sarkodie is Yesu.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the same. Yeah.
There's a Sarkodie background still now you did.
Oh, that's a rap there. Abende nkwa rap opana say rap nkwa dia say nka say obidi ntimi de say gumachi obidi de femeneko David asan fans ka bidi ho ya
Oh, okay. No correct. Yeah, Kumasi boys no cry and shema.
we respect our legends but we don't really want to like say because of so many legends yen kan your own shit David.
Okay.
I am capable of doing it.
Sure. Now, then fans na expected from now and also after COVID-19.
Okay, after COVID-19, no surprise banga bima boys. Many singers, one of the top singers in town. I mean, one of the A-list artists. I'm a rapper. Yes. Those are the main songs I'm gonna drop after the COVID-19.
Oh, okay. And COVID-19 na futu be now de be ma yen and I say yen we are seeing na because we hear from our various homes.
Yeah, now banning the need to make a 50 measures now buying and running for the ban follow new and stay safe, stay indoors, don't go out, social distancing, try to keep yourself clean at any time. I'll be to me. Hopefully, if I procedure, I feel like most will be showing something maybe I know I report and I won't ban. That's how it is. So you just all have to be careful. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Before you be jaw cry, me batch my last one na yen fan say bye bye.
Okay. I grab the mic and all you can't see where power lies. See your rougher mic, pull aside, but I never mind. The previous video be me who simply daily guide and how of yours I told them said you're multi to a cat at the white. Communal labor, no way you be a boy, me I own the bar, what you by some of the time to sacrificing with Yam and Marble so move big out to a confronting the Gina so you read up a down. One kind of crano said you tell no fabu no matter saying, yeah, you cruise in your saying, be when you are yan eternal. Then you want Bofano shine, a fresh shiny opinion, wasn't a yard that will need so and you are among guys.
Bana. Yes, you mean Arab da JJ Gum. They say they are Canada catch or more name say bar stop this na say oh the Ujun who this all your rapper Fabulous.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, Sarkodie oh your manifesto oh the Ujun
yeah. Respect to the legends though, but we are rap.
Yeah. No correct. Any that's say only you train come on Poleeno Multimedia. Yeah, that's pa you be throw it. Okay, bye. I have 4 way. Amerado banner. Any energy chain come on. Or come for an answer. Or champion only masem can. Or send an away. Was suma. Was suma. What in semi course? You know. Say about rap. Say any rap there. Or then any day. Emma day any day son. But Charlie. Oh yeah, why? Oh yeah. Obia na oba. On so better level because one yes Accra and the fans be didn't know of course yeah me cry me didn't know because then I didn't him so Gina Mike next year or spit bass and then what I say me say oh yeah your bonal if channel way subscribe and anytime be drop in a video be I get it straight I said the year can say anywhere part of the world be so send the video under 30 seconds my WhatsApp line send be post at your videos name fachi adophobia for 2 before never entertain you be Odarama. Mediane I'm strong Poleeno there. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.
Yeah, your family Richard, me kasa free Germany, my office na me no kasa yi. Me so me share Poleeno Multimedia. Omo ye very good. O pese unya Ghana nsem a ti omo. I love you, bye. Poleeno Multimedia, du bist the best. Du bist the best. Du bist the ganze best in the world. Danke dir.